Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Last week I revealed that Marna from Dolls Rescue and I will be producing a series of Christmas craft Blythe videos. And today I can reveal what the themes for each of our videos are going to be and when they'll all be coming out. So the theme for our collaboration for our series is the 5 days of Christmas. And Marna has come up with some fun individual sort of challenges for each of the videos that we will both be making. They are 1 crochet hook, 2 knitting needles, 3 inches fabric, 4 snaps to hold it, and 5 gold rings. Just like the song. So please stay tuned to see our videos. They will be coming out every day starting from the 6th of December. So that'll be the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th of December. A whole week of content from both of us. So be sure to tune in then and watch both of our channels to see what we come up with for these fun themes. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye! 5 gold rings.